Hi, I'm Paul from Sussex Caravans. I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial on the basic operation of the radio media system found in a 2019 Swift motorhome. Okay, so here are some of the basic settings of your radio media system. Obviously the first thing you've got here on the left hand side is radio. Radio is available via analog or digital. By selecting AM DAB here, you've got your AM FM DAB set up into DAB. Then you can browse via genre assembles, and then you've got your arrows for scrolling down through all of your DAB stations. Press the touch screen to select the radio station you like. If you'd like to set that up as a quick access station, just press the hold to set. Once it beeps and confirms the station is stored there, that's going to be a quick referral back to that station by touching that button. Media. This enables you to listen to any portable device, whether it be a smartphone or a USB stick or an iPod. And as you can see here, it's showing the music that's currently playing on my iPhone. We can use the browse button here again for searching through artists, albums, genres, audio books and podcasts. And then we've got the navigation button where you can go in and select your route. This is an interface by TomTom. Currently, obviously, we've got a route set in there, so you can view the route information, clearly any existing route that's on there, and then we're free to navigate to a new route. This is done by selecting either a favourite address, a point of interest, or an actual address search using the postcode, house number, etc. Finally, you have the phone button. This is where you can pair your phone up so that you've got your Bluetooth facility to give you that hands-free phone calls whilst driving. And it's just a simple case of pairing your phone into the Bluetooth setting of your phone, making sure your Bluetooth is switched on, waiting for your phone to discover the system. Uconnect is the one that you're looking for. Again, select that on your phone. Just check that the two numbers, the PIN numbers that have come up on the phone and stereo are matching. Pair on the phone, yes on the radio. It's asked me if I'd like to allow my contacts to synchronise, so I'm going to allow that, so all of your phone book access is available. Just downloading the phone book, and then everything's there available on the stereo. You'd have your recent call history, you've got a keypad, text messages. Phone book would be there once it's fully downloaded. Hope you find that useful.